Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I put up a vlog because I've been busy for the Labor Day weekend. I'm doing a barbecue for my seniors. Today is September 3rd. The barbecue is tomorrow, September 4th. So when you see this, it'll probably be over and done with. But I just want to show you some stuff that I'm making. I'm boiling chicken. I done cleaned two 40-pound boxes of chicken. I cleaned them. I'm cooking them. And I'm getting them ready for the grill for tomorrow. I also have, excuse my kitchen, it's filthy because I have so much going on. I gotta clean these ribs and get them ready for the oven too. I got like 6 or 7 packs double. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of things that I'm doing. But welcome back. I have quite a few new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my new subscribers. My old subscribers, thank you for watching. And my future subscribers, come on aboard. So I'll be back when I get ready to clean the ribs. But I'm going to first show you what I have on the stove and what I got cooked already. So, the stove, we got a small pot. We got a huge pot. We cooking. We are cooking. And I'm not done yet. I got maybe 2 more of these pots. Maybe 1 more of these pots and no, maybe 2 more of these pots and I don't know how many of those. We're going to figure it out. But I have a lot of chicken. I'm going to show you what I got left to cook. So as you see, this is what I got left to cook. And this is what's been cooked so far. I'm boiling the chicken so when I put it on the grill, it doesn't take so long to cook because these people want to eat. Child, they want to eat. Trust me. Seniors love to eat. So you saw what was on the stove. This is what's left to cook. This is what's done. I'm gonna start cleaning and prepping my ribs. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to clean this pack of ribs. Show you how I do it. And I'm going to season them up. Because I got 4 packs like this. So, we're going to see how to clean them. I've shown you this before, I believe. But I'm not cooking them that same way. So, but I'm going to pull the membrane off of this. I'm going to season them. And I am going to wrap them in aluminum foil and get them ready for the oven. See? I want to try to get that part off right there. So, I'm going to grip it with some paper towel. And see how pretty easy that did? I know, girl. Listen, my table is a mess because I am been working here all day. I don't have no space to put anything. And I am trying to get this done for the festivities tomorrow. We are having a barbecue. Senior barbecue. Birthday barbecue bash for the seniors. It's 2 pieces of rib in 1 pack. So I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna bring them back. And I'm gonna show you how I'm going to show you how I season them. If I can get all this off. It'll come off. It's just going to take some time. So, they've been all washed and cleaned up. I'm going to pat them dry a little bit. Both sides. All right. I'm going to show you how I season them. I got some mustard here. Regular yellow mustard. I'm going to have to get some more of that cabinet over there. Because it ain't much in here. So we're going to put some mustard on them. There we go. And then we're going to pour some of it. We're going to rub it in. Rub it. Rub it on. That's my sous chef over there. She making noise. She don't want to be seen. But that's okay. She ain't got to be seen because she want to finish it up. She looking to see what I'm doing. Let me just wash my hands right quick a minute. All right, we got some mustard. I want to wash off that mustard. Y'all know how I feel about. But anyway, we're going to put some of this here. Brown sugar bourbon. This stuff is good. Right? I'm going to pour it all over it. And pat it in. And I like the mustard. The mustard gonna keep it moist. It's gonna keep it moist. Y'all know I clean my seasonings after I touch all this meat. But it's gonna keep it moist, the mustard. But we're gonna put some of that brown sugar, baby. Brown sugar, baby. Pat it. I don't like that. We're going to use our garlic and herb. This stuff is good. I'm going to pour it all over. I'm going to pat it into. Pat, 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 pat. We're going to turn them over. I'm going to try to put all that stuff on. But we're going to do the mustard again first. See, we ain't got no more. I'll rub it all in there. We remove the membrane so that the meat can get seasoned on the inside. That's the purpose of taking off the membrane. Because the membrane blocks the meat. So we rip it off. So it can get, the seasoning can get all inside the meat. So let me wash again. All right. Second side. Brown sugar, baby. Brown sugar, baby. Ain't it a song?
Brown sugar.
Okay. Pat this in. Pat. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, that got that.
I wasn't looking what I was doing. It came out too fast. One or the other. Okay. Now we're gonna get this pan right here. Right, we're gonna get some aluminum foil. This pan, we're gonna get some aluminum foil. My sous chef is helping me. She don't want to be on camera, but that's okay. She don't need to be. Y'all just need to see me. We're gonna take large piece of aluminum. These are all the chickens right here. We're gonna set this in this pan like this. We're gonna take one slab. We're gonna put it in there like that. We're gonna start wrapping it up. Take another piece. Oh, they might not see. Y'all might not see over there, right? Let me turn. Do y'all see? What's this? Oh, this is aluminum foil. Okay. Take another piece. We're gonna flip that first. We flip it. We're gonna tighten it up. If y'all didn't see it, I'll show it on this next one here. Right? Take this out. I'm gonna sit it to the side. Sit it to the side until I show you what I'm gonna do with it. Okay. Thank you, sous chef. So we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna make sure y'all see what I'm doing. Can you take this a minute? I'm gonna move this over here. Can y'all see? So I'll wrap it in aluminum. Right? Whoa! Whoa! Wrap it in aluminum. Make sure it's all covered up. Because we're going to cook it in the oven. Slow, low and slow for about 3 hours. I'm going to cook them on 250 in the oven. Wrap like this for 2.5 hours. And when they're done, we're going to take them out and we're going to cut them up. So when they're done, I'll show you what they look like. I showed you all my chicken. Let me show you. Let me show you all my chicken that I got cooked up here. 2 big pans. I'm just going to take the foil off them. All boiled and ready for the barbecue. All right. Now we're getting the ribs all ready for the barbecue. So when they're all done, I will show you what they look like. All right there, these are the ribs cooked up. I cut some up after I baked them, and now these ones I'm going to get ready to cut up. But this is how they come out. I have much more, but I'm just showing you a little part of what I did with the ribs. So for this barbecue that I'm having, so I'm gonna take off my glasses because they're dirty and I can't really see out them. But I want to just say thank you if you made it to the end of this video. It's a crazy video, and it's been a long time since I posted one. So just forgive me. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna put more posts up because I now need to clean my kitchen from all this cooking. So I'll bring you along with that, you know, cleaning my stove, mopping my floors. But thank you, like I said, if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, you have to subscribe, like, and comment for me to do more. Because without y'all engagement, sometimes I just feel like I don't want to, but I will. You know, a shenanigan ain't got nothing to do. But anyway, come back for the next video. Love you guys.